Hi everyone, it's Shannon and welcome to today's video. So today's video is going to be a little bit different, and you probably saw from the title. I'm going to be talking a little bit about kind of what's going on in my life, kind of some directions and some changes that are happening, and then what does this mean for the channel. And as you probably have noticed if you've been with me since the beginning, which has been 5 years, I haven't been posting as much, and mainly that's just because personal life, and then also kind of got stagnant for a while. Personal responsibilities as well, my son, and then work, and just a culmination of things. But I am kind of getting back into it, and there's a couple things changing. So that's what I wanted to talk to everybody and all of you about today. Okay, so let's talk about the first biggest change, and that is I am now a travel agent. So I'm a travel advisor with Touring and Cruises, which is the agency formerly known as Touring Plans Travel. They're no longer associated with Touring Plans, but I'm a subscriber to Touring Plans, and I still have all my videos on them, but the agency itself is no longer associated with Touring Plans. However, I have now joined them as a travel agent, and there's several reasons for that. So first of all, I kind of have been thinking about since probably 2022 that I should become a travel agent, and I kept getting questions like, are you a travel agent? Can you help book my trip? And I wasn't, so I would refer, and I had some great travel agents that I would refer business to, and I had no problem doing that. But I really wanted to do it, kind of got thinking about it. However, the company that I worked for, I wasn't allowed to. I was not allowed. It was a compliance issue, so I was not allowed to be able to become a travel agent. And so it was never really an option, even though I thought about it. I looked into it, and when I found out it was, not an option while I worked at that company, I just stopped pursuing it. However, I am no longer working for that company. So 2 months ago, I kind of reached out to a couple of different agents and agencies, and I decided to go with Touring and Cruises. It just kind of felt like the best fit for me. And I've been going through all the trainings and trying to really get up to speed. There isn't really this urgency to kind of start booking right away. I really wanted to educate myself on the systems and all the travel. While I feel like I know a lot about Disney and cruising and Royal Caribbean, I really wanted to educate myself and go through the trainings first before I start booking clients. So I have now done that. I am still going through a lot of training. There's a lot of trainings that happen, but I feel like now I am ready to go ahead and start booking travel, but I am going to stick to what I know. So I'm going to stick to Disney Cruise Line and Royal Caribbean. Those are the two cruise lines I know. Will I eventually branch out into other cruise lines? Absolutely. I definitely want to get exposure to, Carnival. I have done Celebrity, and so I am familiar with Celebrity, so that will probably be the first one that I probably tackle next, would be Celebrity. But Carnival and Norwegian Cruise Line are also two that I've been looking into, as well as MSC. But I really want to be able to give the best service to my clients, so I'm going to stick with just Disney Cruise Line and Royal Caribbean to start. And that also includes going with Walt Disney World, Disneyland, and Universal. So those are the vacations that I'm going to, kind of focus on initially, because those are what I know. I've booked them, I've researched them, and I feel like I can provide some good insight to clients as well as help book their travel. So I'm very excited about this new chapter. I'm very excited to finally be doing this. It was not the situation that I had hoped to be put in this situation, but I feel like everything happens for a reason, and I'm excited to go ahead and take this first step. So a lot of the videos that are older, you're going to hear me say I'm not a travel agent. Obviously I am now, but those are older. So I have updated links in those videos. So it will bring you links to my cruise quote or quote request form and my information. However, that's the reason why. So I'm very excited. So if you watch my videos and have watched them before, and you are looking to book either a cruise vacation, Walt Disney World, and you do not have a travel agent, I would be very honored to help you book your travel for your next vacation. Okay, so the next topic is what is next for this channel and what's going to change. And the honest truth is probably not much, except that I hope to start posting more consistently in the future, and also kind of more specific travel topics like, you know, tips and tricks, etc. So I'll still be vlogging when we do trips. We have a 3-night cruise coming up on the Liberty of the Seas, so I will be covering that. But also just kind of, you know, tips and tricks, kind of more practical things. Somebody asked me to do a video on what makeup I pack for a cruise vacation. So I was like, okay, that'll be interesting. I also have a beauty channel. If you didn't know, Shannon loves makeup. So I'm kind of was like, well, maybe I could post it on both, but we'll see what I do with that. But I thought that was an interesting topic as well. So, you know, but I'll be posting more content. And one of the first things I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking up continuing my series on best and worst cruise staterooms. I realized I kind of was in it and then just kind of stopped, kind of just got, you know, bogged down with life and work, and I haven't posted a new one since 2024. And I think it was like March of 2024 was the last time I did a best and worst cruise stateroom. So I'm kind of starting from scratch again, and the videos, some ships have been updated. My goal right now is to continue on with the Quantum class at Royal Caribbean. I have 2 videos up. I think there's 3 more ships that I need to do. Then I'm going to finish up with the Icon class. So I've only done Icon. I haven't done Star or Legend. And then work on the 2 newest Disney ships that I don't have. And actually there's a 3rd because there's going to be the Adventure coming up soon. So I'll be doing those. And then I'm going to revisit some of the ships that have been refurbed. So Allure had a really big refurbishment. So while my video is still accurate for the rooms that were on there, there are new rooms, there might be some changes. So some of the best and worst might change. So that will be kind of a secondary, but the first thing is to kind of get videos out for the ships that I don't have already. Okay, so there you have it. Those are my updates. So basically now I am a travel agent, and then the channel's not going to be changing too much. It's just hopefully some videos are going to be more consistent and coming. But what I want from you is, if you've watched this channel or if you're new to this channel, what kind of videos are you looking for? I know I like tips and tricks and top 10 things, but is there a topic? You know, I try to come up with topics that people will like. Sometimes I'm good at them and sometimes I have no clue. So what type of topics are you looking for? What are content? If there's any topics that you would like me to cover, anything you want me to discuss, just leave it in the comments section below so I can try and put some videos together. So, but thank you so much for those who've been watching and been subscribing to my channel for a long time. Sorry I've been kind of MIA, just kind of a lot of stuff going on in the background, but I hope to be here more consistently. So with that, if you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye everyone.